Birds come in all varieties of sizes, shapes, colours and patterns, and South Africa has an abundance of species, over 850. They occupy a variety of habitats and have varied diets. They are important indicators of the health of our ecosystems. Some spend most of their time in the air, others on land, and still others are at home in water. You don't have to travel far to see birds. Many are on your doorstep or neighborhood. This owlet was stretching his wing, but best to get back into the nest. And his sib felt the same way. The third chick fell out of the nest and will have to stay on the ground, while Mom keeps a careful eye on things. And just observing birds in your garden can be entertaining. Birds evolved flight around 150 million years ago, being descendants of small theropod dinosaurs. The wings of birds are modified forelimbs and are made up of bone, feathers and muscles. An important discovery was the Archaeopteryx fossil in 1860, which showed feather-like structures on its forelimbs. Don't you think the ostrich has a dinosaur-like appearance? Insects developed flight before birds. Their wings are different, consisting of a thin membrane held out by veins. The red-billed oxpecker is BirdLife South Africa's Bird of the Year for 2025. It has a wide distribution in South and East Africa. They have powerful clasping feet with sharp curved claws and a rigid tail, allowing them to clamber on their hosts. They peck their food off mammals, feeding primarily on ticks, up to 100 a day. Thus, blood forms a large part of their diet. Their numbers were severely depleted when dipping of cattle with pesticides was introduced. This has been reversed to some extent with the introduction of bird-friendly chemical dips.